Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we study the practice set 1.5 which is on the application of linear equations in two variables. तेच मराठीत सांगायचं असेल तर शाब्दिक उदाहरणं आपण आज सोडवणार आहोत. आता शाब्दिक उदाहरणामध्ये काय माहीत पाहिजे तर तुम्ही गणित एक वेळेस, दोन वेळेस, तीन वेळेस जितके वेळेस समजत नाहीत तितके वेळेस अगोदर वाचून घ्या. पहिला पॉईंट. दुसरा पॉईंट, त्यांना दोन व्हेरिएबल्स वापरा, एक्स आणि वाय असे दोन व्हेरिएबल्स वापरा. तिसरी अट, दिलेल्या अटीनुसार पहिलं समीकरण तयार करा आणि दिलेल्या दुसऱ्या अटीनुसार दुसरं समीकरण तयार करा. मग हे दोन इक्वेशन्स तुम्ही शिकलेल्या कुठल्याही पद्धतीनुसार, तुम्ही चार पद्धती शिकलात, एलिमिनेशन मेथड, सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथड, क्रॅमर्स रूल, ग्राफिकल मेथड, पण आपण सहसा एलिमिनेशन मेथड किंवा सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथड वापरून हे सोडवायचे. एक्स आणि वायची किंमत काढायची व्हेरिएबलची आणि त्याला उत्तराच्या स्वरूपात लिहायचं जे विचारले ते. असं थोडंसं मी तुम्हाला. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज, टू नंबर्स डिफर बाय 3. द सम ऑफ ट्वाइस द स्मॉलर नंबर अँड थ्राइस द ग्रेटर नंबर इज 19. फाइंड द नंबर्स. This is the problem. Now we have to solve it. Let greater number be x and smaller number be y. Therefore by first condition, which is the first condition, two numbers differ by 3. This is the first condition. Then by the first condition we have x minus y is equal to 3. This is the equation number first. दोन दोन नंबरमधला फरक 3 आहे अशी पहिली अट दिली. त्याच्यामुळं पहिलं इक्वेशन काय येणार, एक्स मायनस वाय इज इक्वल टू 3. द सम ऑफ ट्वाइस द स्मॉलर नंबर अँड थ्राइस द ग्रेटर नंबर इज 19. दिस इज द सेकंड कंडिशन. देन बाय सेकंड कंडिशन, थ्राइस द स्मॉलर नंबर मीन्स 3x अँड ट्वाइस द स्मॉलर नंबर मीन्स 2y. देयरफॉर द सम इज condition 2. We have 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. This is the equation 2. Now solving these two equations by elimination method so that we equalize the coefficients of y, so that multiply equation 1 by 2. Multiplying equation 1 we get 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. Give this equation number 3. Now see the equation 2 and 3. In the equation 2 and 3, the coefficient of y are equal. By eliminating y, that means adding equation 2 and equation 3, we get 5x is equal to 25. That means here y variable is eliminated. Therefore x is equal to 5. That means we get the value of x is equal to 5. This value, put x is equal to 5 in equation 1. Then we get, see here how to solve, and we get y is equal to 2. Now we get the values of x and y variables. These values converted into the answer. See here. Therefore the greater number be 5 and the smaller number be 2. This is the example number first. पहा, तुम्हाला समजलं का? पहा, म्हणजे मोठी संख्या 5 आहे आणि लहान संख्या 2 आहे. आता प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.5 मधलं दुसरं गणित. सी हिअर एक्झाम्पल 2. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग. आता हो का असं गणित दिलेलं आहे. कसं दिलं बघा, आय एम अ रेक्टँगल असं पहिल्या बॉक्समध्ये लिहिलेलं आहे. मग त्या बॉक्सच्या साईडला 4 बाजू आहेत ना रेक्टँगलच्या, त्या 4 बाजूंची लेंथ एक्स आणि वायच्या स्वरूपात दिलेलं आहे. आपल्याला फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एक्स अँड वाय अँड अगेन फाइंड पेरिमीटर अँड एरिया असं सांगितलेलं आहे. मग आता ह्या आकृतीनुसार पहिल्या बॉक्सनुसार इट इज अ रेक्टँगल. देअरफॉर लेंथ ऑफ रेक्टँगल इज 4x मायनस वाय और 2x प्लस वाय प्लस 8. तर मी इथं कोणती धरली आहे, 4x मायनस वाय धरली. आणि ब्रेडथ ऑफ रेक्टँगल 2y और x प्लस 4, तर मी कोणती धरली, 2y. नाउ यू नो दॅट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ रेक्टँगल इज opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Therefore opposite sides means 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y. These two opposite sides length are equal, so that we get here 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y. By solving this, we get the equation x minus y is equal to 4. See here. Also, remaining opposite sides 2y and x plus 4, these sides are also equal because opposite sides are equal. This is the property of rectangle. Therefore, 2y is equal to x plus 4. We solving this, we have x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. See here, in equation 1 and equation 2, the coefficient of x are equal. Therefore, by subtracting equation 1 and equation 2 and eliminating x, we get the value of y is equal to 8. Put y is equal to 8 in equation 1, hence we get x minus 8 is equal to 4. That means x is equal to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 8. Now, the length of rectangle is equal to 4x minus y. Putting these values, x and y values, 4 into 12 minus 8, that means 48 minus 8, that means 40 unit, and breadth of rectangle is equal to 2y, that means 8 into 2, that means 16 units. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle, you know that the formula of perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Putting these values, we get the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 112 unit, and area of rectangle is equal to L into B, that means 40 into 16, that means 640 square unit. This is the answer. Now, example number 3 in practice set 1.5. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. This is the first condition. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present ages. तुम्हाला आता हे गणित समजलं नसेल तर परत वाचा, जोपर्यंत समजत नाही तोपर्यंत वाचा. Now let's see here. We consider, or we say, let father's present age is equal to x years and his son's present age is equal to y years. Therefore, by first condition, which is the first condition? The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70, which is the father's age x and son's age y, double. That means by first condition, x plus 2y is equal to 70. Second condition, if we double the age of the father, see here 2x, and add it to the age of his son, that means plus y, is equal to 95. Therefore, their sum is 95. Then by second condition, 2x plus y is equal to 95. Now, again we equalize the coefficients of x. Therefore, multiplying equation 1 by 2, we get 2x plus 4y is equal to 140. Now, the coefficients of x of equation 2 and equation 3 are equal. Then by subtracting equation 3 minus equation 2 and eliminating the variable x, we get the value of y, which is equal to 15. See here how to solve it. Now put y is equal to 15 in equation 1, x plus 2y is equal to 70. Therefore, x plus 2 into 15 is equal to 70. X plus 30 is equal to 70. That means x is equal to 40. Therefore, father's present age is equal to 40 years and his son's present age is equal to 15 years. This is the third example. Now, we see the fourth example in practice set 1.5. See here, which is the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. If both the numerator and the denominator are reduced by 6, find the fraction. Now, you know that fraction means अपूर्णांक. अंश आणि छेद असतो ना त्याला. मग आपण अंशातली संख्या x धरायची आणि छेदातली संख्या y धरली, म्हणजे त्याला दोन व्हेरिएबल्स धरले, मग तो अपूर्णांक कोणता येणार? x डिवायडेड बाय y. मग आता मी इथं तसंच धरले. लेट न्यूमरेटर ऑफ फ्रॅक्शन इज इक्वल टू x and denominator of fraction is equal to y. Therefore, the fraction is equal to x divided by y. Now, the first condition is the denominator of fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. It is given to you. Therefore, by first condition we have y is equal to 2x plus 4. This is equation number first. Now, numerator and denominator of fraction reduced by 6. Therefore, the new numerator of fraction is equal to x minus 6 and new denominator of fraction is equal to y minus 6. By second condition, y minus 6 is equal to 12y into x minus 6. That means reduced denominator is 12 times the reduced numerator. It is given to you. Therefore, by this condition we have, and solving this we get the equation 12x minus y is equal to 66. See here in equation 2, put equation 1 in equation 2. Now we solve these equations by substitution method. 12x minus y is equal to 66. 12x as it is minus as it is. Now put the value of y. Which is the value of y? See here, y is equal to 2x plus 4. Now we put here, and solving this we get x is equal to 7. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1, we get y is equal to 18. Therefore, the fraction is equal to x divided by y is equal to 17 by 18.